We are live, August 28, 2025. Let's get into the charts. Wasn't feeling too well yesterday. Woke up a little late, but we did take a trade. Just barely a small green day yesterday. About 70 bucks. Pre-market high, 23,663. Midnight open 23 575.25 and pre-market low 23 539. This looks like an insane opportunity for a pre-opening drive breakout to the upside. So we'll wait and see. But can this pull about 50 points back down here? It could. So we're going to wait and see. We're going to zoom in here just so, okay, yep, we have the 21 moving average as our stop loss. It's going to play a very important role. Yep, stop loss here. Alright, markets are up. Yep, go all the way down. How low will you want to go? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We'll enter in. Opening range break. Opening range break. Opening range break. Opening range break. Incredible. Fucking incredible. Opening range break. Goes to 50, sell another one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's what you call it. Easy. If it goes below 40, we're going to take our profits. Then we're going to wait for... Yep. Okay. If it goes below 40 again, we're going to take our profits. But I think this is going to still keep ripping up. Come on, go to 60. Perfect. Just like that, in the first 1 minute of the day, I took all of the advantage of that candle. All of the advantage. Wonderful. 2 minutes. Alright guys, so we might be, just from that, we might be done for the day. Maybe our next orb trade, or if it comes back down for a pre-market break retest, we're gonna just do one contract or do some shares, because we already made a $2 move on options that was just explosive. 60% gain in the first 2 minutes. I literally just read that like a textbook. With our reduced size too. So 930. Of course, our stop loss, if it did go below, was gonna be where it made its low of day. Gotta make sure the risk rewards are skewed in our favor. Okay, it's back to the threes. Nice. Very cool. 60 percentage again. I'm gonna wait for the cool off. I'm gonna wait for the cool off. Uh, yeah. If you're trying to catch us up there, too late. Opening range break. Just a strategy I began developing with observation. I've noticed that, yeah, while I can stay patient for like a nice measured move, usually this opening bell volatility usually follows through. Usually, if it doesn't, you better exit with a nice firm stop loss. Well, just some golden nuggets for you guys based on my couple months of observation. I've been jotting it down, and here we are, kind of executing on that plan. Yeah, very sad. I'm very satisfied and content with how that opening dry break went, especially since we took it all the way to the top. Yeah, now it's hovering around 50, 60% gain. Yeah, we'll take a 10-minute breather here. Uh, Alright guys, we are back. Okay, chopping in between the zone. Ooh, this is a tough 15-minute orb trade. Not gonna force it. A pullback, 40 point more pullback here would be textbook. This makes it a little bit of a difficult read. Contracts are back down to 30%. If you took a position, the trap buyers will get stopped out with our 21 moving average, either here or here, but I think it should go all the way to pre-market high. Yeah, stop them out. Stop them out. One more second. Yeah, we're definitely going long, but what is 50%? No, that's a little bit. It's gonna touch right above, isn't it? Let's fib this. Actually, it's right at 50%. Okay, perfect. This is what we're looking for. Perfect. If I see any sharp bounces here, we are gonna go. Yep, perfect. Yep, that's exactly what I wanted to see. Okay, if it conquers 6, 8, yep, perfect. Closes above 690. Closes above 690. I'm in this trade. Oh, okay, what's that? Oh, let's go. Do. I think the risk reward is worth it. So we're gonna go 2 contracts call here. I think that's the pullback that would knock everyone out. Stop loss right here. It's about 25 cents. We're looking for pre-market high, or we're looking for a nice big range break here. Okay, it looks like it wants to roll over, which is fine by me. If it touches, if it goes below there, we are out of the position, no problem. Back on the way up. Okay. Still resistant. Be patient a little bit. Yeah, this is that slow grind. Oh, back up. Oh, this wants to rip. Okay, we have a little bit of resistance up there. it's failing. We're out. We're out that position. One small loss. Okay. Okay, shifting to orb lows. Shifting to orb lows. Is there news? No news. No news. Okay. So 630. If it's unable, so now pre-market high is now going to be our resistance. We can use this. Yep. Yeah, pre-market high is now our resistance. If this fades lower, I am willing to go short. That doesn't fit if it fails to close. Yep, we are in. We are in this short. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We'll take out one contract right over here. If it goes back to 2-3%, we're gonna take off the other one, but otherwise we're gonna try to hold it up. 2-3% there. If it flashes like that again, we're not gonna play around with it. Yep. Nope. I'm out. I'm out. Small win. Great. Small win. Great. Okay, right now it is leaving us, so this isn't a great entry point. Yep, this was what I was waiting for. Oh, this is another reversal. That the play is to go short. play is to go short. Is there something going on? Okay, we can short Reddit. Reddit looks like it's in a small range. Tesla's holding the 350, another bounce potential. Then we had a mega bounce there. Still hasn't touched midnight open, so it still has 40 points of room to go, but and I'm still looking for some shorts. Let's see if we can get a go ahead entry here. $6.30. Below 610. That might tempt me, but I do expect it to kind of peekaboo up here and then come back down. Yeah, that's what I expected. Yep. It's a mini trap. How's 600? Is that a level? 600 is a level. From 600, and it should go 25 more points. Okay. Okay, yep. And we missed that move. Okay, yep, we missed the move. Okay, now it's at pre-market low. Now it's at midnight open. Bounce potential? Yup. Premiums are juicy. Oh man, what an immediate reversal. What an immediate reversal. You just lost all those gains if you did not sell on that push down. You just lost every single thing. Yep, let's get in there though. Stop loss above 610. Stop loss above 610. Yep, I know it kind of already went against me, but yeah, that's kind of the game you play. 610. Okay, we're about to take this loss. If it doesn't turn around. Okay, yep, that's it. Nope, nope. Alright, alright. Cool. Let's see. 9, 8, 2, Q. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. I took my 2 losses. We decreased size after our first win. I think we end up slightly green for the day, but we kinda just gave back a little bit of profits, but I had to test the strategy out to see how robust it is. But overall, happy for the day, trusting my process. So that's another check win for Thursday. Great. Still gonna be trading reduced size until I feel a little bit better. Yep, it's at 610. Unfortunately, I don't have a great playbook on just observing like all these bounces. Usually these bounces aren't immediate from my planning. So but maybe as like a potential 10-point scalp here, maybe. Alright guys, I'll be closing up the live stream. Thank you guys for tuning in. Stay smart, trade safe.